Welcome to our factory. I'm Marcia. We are a professional cotton rope storage basket factory committed to providing high-quality products to our customers. With over 30 years of production experience, we use premium cotton rope and exquisite craftsmanship to create various styles of storage baskets. Whether it's baby baskets, pet beds, toy baskets, or other types of storage baskets, we can meet your needs. We offer customization services, allowing us to create storage baskets in various styles, sizes, and colors based on your requirements. Our products are available to Amazon sellers, wholesalers, retailers, and large retailers like Walmart. Our factory is equipped with advanced production equipment and a strict quality control system to ensure that every product meets high standards. We focus on environmental protection, manufacturing all products using eco-friendly materials that comply with international quality standards. Feel free to visit our factory at any time. We look forward to cooperating with you for mutual development.